Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram story. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. When you're on the Instagram feed, you want to click on the top left corner where you see the plus sign where it says your story. You click on this and now you can select an image that you want to upload on your story. In our case, we already pre-select the image. This is Ronaldo's image. Now we want to tag Ronaldo on the photo, right? For example, we took the photo, or for example, we had a selfie with Ronaldo. You want to click add the text on the top middle side of the settings. Then you want to type the add sign manually, or you can simply click the mention underneath. Now you want to start typing the person that you're looking for. In our case, this is Ronaldo, and there is an example. There is the profile of Cristiano Ronaldo. You can make it larger by simply scrolling up or down, right? Because some people prefer, this to be very, very, very small and essentially drag it down so no one can actually see it, but only Ronaldo can get notified that he was actually mentioned, he was tagged on particular photo. Next thing you want to do, you can actually add music to your story. This is a new feature. Before you had to upload a video, not a picture, to be able to add music, but now you're able to do so. You can scroll down. It will be cool if you know exactly what is the favorite song of Ronaldo, or it will be something related to him or his soccer career or something. And then you can simply proceed and you can share this to your story. This is how simple it is, guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and follow for more.